my God, it's been so long for a while. Spencer, the last time I saw you, you were fixing to move back to your province. I'm thinking you were in Manila then. No, since then, because you know what? You know what, Spencer? Since then, I lost my child. I was doing my life here in the province. I'm thinking back to go back. And then all of a sudden, I lost my channel. Somebody deleted. Hopefully, he's not using my account right now. I hopefully he is thinking about my children future than himself. You know what I mean? Since then I couldn't even get monetized because of that. Because somebody got my account. And somebody got my account. Somebody got my account and I could